Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Dixie Plates just released 3 new stamping plates and I purchased 2 of them from the UK stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing stamping plate Mermaids and Unicorns 01, and as always you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo clear stamper and a scraper. I have 5 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with a shimmery green nail tip, and I'll also be using a teal green stamping polish. This mermaid image is stunning, but it is really large. It might not fit on everyone's nails. I am going to remove any excess before stamping onto the nail tip, but I would love to turn this image into a decal and add some colour to her. I think she would look stunning. For the next swatch I'll be using a shimmery pink nail tip along with a purple stamping polish. I've never seen a unicorn face on any stamping plate before, and from what I've seen on social media, I think this one is going to be super popular. I've used this design for my unicorn mani. Again, adding some colour to the horn and hair would look fantastic. It is just a brilliant image. For the next swatch I'm going to use a shimmery blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. There is quite a few word images across this plate, but I really like this one and the unicorn one below it. The writing has come out very clean and crisp, and I think this again would be really popular for any mermaid mani. For the next swatch I'm going to use a white nail tip along with a metallic teal stamping polish. Now these scales can be layered. Now when you see mine in the photo swatches, you'll see that they're quite an epic fail. I just couldn't get them to line up. So for this swatch I'm just using the scales on their own, which look stunning, and I did actually use this image in my mermaid mani. For the next swatch I'm going to use a purple nail tip along with a neon pink stamping polish. Again, this is another large image, but it is so pretty and again would look really cool with some added colour to that unicorn. I'm not quite sure the neon pink was a good idea over the purple though, but I definitely want to use this in another mani. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from Mermaids and Unicorns 01. Dixie Plates Mermaids and Unicorns 01 is just a fantastic stamping plate, and I just knew it had to be in my collection. I've taken 30 swatches in total. A couple of them do have 2 images on their swatches. I found that there was a nice mix of mermaid and unicorn images. One doesn't have more than the other. With Dixie Plates being known for having large images, the smaller designs might need to be shrunk down to fit onto the nail. I personally didn't have a problem with this, as I do have quite long and extremely wide nails. Mermaids and unicorn nails are super popular on social media, so this plate is probably going to fly off the shelves. Now, as I said in the video about the layering scales, I did one which is the gold, and that's all of the layers along that top row, and you'll see that it didn't quite turn out right. The other one with the blues, that's just 3 layers, and again it still didn't turn out quite right. I will admit I'm not brilliant at layering the large designs, so that is something that I have been practicing on, and it's going to take a lot more practice, I can see. I am however excited that the title of this plate, Mermaids and Unicorns 01, that there's a possibility of another which I will definitely be purchasing. What I do love is that for me, already owning mermaid and unicorn stamping plates, this one has designs that are really quite unique and that I've never seen anything like them before. If you love mermaids and unicorn manis, you'll love this plate. I certainly have. Now for this video I have done 2 manis, which I know is unusual for me with plates of this size, but I really wanted to do a mani for the mermaid side and another one for the unicorn side. So for the manis, as I said, I've made 2, and the first one is the mermaid mani. And I thought it was quite apt that I used a nail polish from a range called Under the Sea. But these 2 blues work so well together. And hopefully this will show how the smaller designs, size-wise, are on my nails. For the mermaids, I did add some stars from one of the other images on this plate, just to give it a little something more. But I love how all of these images work so well together to create what I think is quite a great mermaid mani. For the second mani, I used a shimmery pink as the base and a purple stamping polish. For me, unicorns have to be pinks and purples. I just had to use the 2 unicorn faces and they filled my nails really well. I did put the word image on the middle finger at a slight angle so it would fit on better. Again, I also added some unicorn horns from another image on the plate to the small unicorn on my pinky. But again, I love how this mani all fits so well together. I really didn't want to take either one off. I loved them that much. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. Stay tuned for the other new Dixie Plate stamping plate that I purchased. It is coming very, very soon. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Mermaids and Unicorns 01 stamping plate. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.